Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your document outlines on Google Docs. So if you go here, it's going to show tabs and outlines. So it's going to show you the report title, the introduction, etc., etc. If you want to add more, I'm just going to copy and paste it, and then paste that, and then chapter 2. If you want to change the heading, you can kind of adjust the settings here. I'm just going to apply that chapter 2, and it's going to bring you to the pages. You can also view it here as well, so go to view, expand tabs and outlines on Google Docs. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.